In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a showcase in Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you need to open Vimeo and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, it's completely free to sign up, and you can do it right on the Vimeo website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can access various features. Now, look towards the left side menu of your screen. You will notice a section called Library. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage all your uploaded videos, playlists, and more. As you delve into your library, you need to click on Showcases. This option will help you gather a selected group of videos into one neat presentation, which is perfect for sharing specific content with your audience. After clicking on the Showcases option, you'll see an area that might be empty right now, depending on whether or not you've created showcases before. In the upper right corner of your screen, there is a button that says New Showcase. Go ahead and click that. This action takes you to a new page where you'll enter details for your showcase. You'll first be prompted to enter a title for your showcase. Think of a catchy or descriptive title that clearly represents the videos you plan to include. It's essential because this is the first impression your audience will get of your showcase. If you'd like, there's also an option to add a description for your showcase right below the title. This is your opportunity to tell viewers what they can expect, so feel free to elaborate a little. Maybe you're highlighting a project, a collection of best moments, or a theme that ties your videos together. Next, you have to choose the privacy setting for your showcase. Vimeo offers several options, which will allow you to keep your content as private or public as you want. Whether you want your showcase to be visible to everyone, just people with the link, or only your followers, it's all up to you. Once you've figured that out, click the Create button to continue to the showcase settings. After you create your showcase, it's time to add the videos that you want to include. Click on the Add Videos button that you will see on the next screen. This will bring up a pop-up window displaying all the videos you've uploaded to your Vimeo account. Scroll through your videos and select the ones that fit into this showcase. Once you've made your selections, click on Add to Showcase. Now that you've added your videos, this is where you can get creative. To customize how your showcase looks, open the Layout section. Vimeo provides various layout options, so you can choose how your videos will be displayed, be it in a grid, a list, or something else that suits your aesthetic preferences. Feel free to play around with these settings to ensure your showcase is visually appealing. Finally, after reviewing your showcase and ensuring everything is in order, don't forget to save any changes you made. You want your hard work to be preserved after all. Once you've saved it, your showcase will be live, ready for you to share with the world, friends, or specific audiences that align with your content. And that's it. You've successfully created a showcase on Vimeo. Share it with your friends, embed it on your website, or show it off on social media. With this tool, you can highlight your best content or create themed compilations that resonate with your viewers. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like these.